Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in this class you will learn multiplication by two-digit number, right? This is the multiplicand. It means we are multiplying this number, and this is the multiplier 12, which is a two-digit number, right? We want to multiply them. So first of all, you will multiply by this digit, right? Digit at ones place. So multiply it. Multiply this 2 by this. 2 2s are 4. Multiply this 2 by this 3. 2 3s are 6. As you have multiplied by 2 the digit at ones place, so now you will put cross at ones place, right? Now this is the turn of the digit at tens place. Multiply this 1 by this 2. 1 2s are 2. Multiply this 1 by this 3. 1 3s are 3. Now add them. 4 plus cross 4. 6 plus 2 8. 3 as it is. So what is your answer? Your answer is 384. Now for better understanding, let's practice some more questions from your book, exercise 6b, and the page number is 40, right? First of all, write date here. Then mention exercise 6b. Now first question you will do in your book yourself. I'm starting with the question number 2. This is the multiplicand 12. You will multiply this 12 by this multiplier 14. Multiply them. First of all, this digit in multiplier at ones place. So you will multiply by this 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. Now you have multiplied by the digit at ones place. So put cross at ones place. Now multiply by this digit at tens place. So 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. Add them. 8 plus cross 8. 4 plus 2 6. 1 as it is. So what is your answer? Your answer is 168. Right? Let's practice one more part. 2D. Multiplicand is 41 and you want to multiply it by 18. So first of all, digit at ones place and multiplier is 8. So you will multiply by 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 4s are 32. Cross 1 1s are 1. 1 4s are 4. Now add them. 8 plus cross 8. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 4 7. So what is your answer? Your answer is 738. Next, question number 3, A part. You want to multiply 76 by 23. Multiply them. First of all, digit at ones place is 3 in the multiplier. So multiply by 3, right? 3 6 are 18. Now you are getting two-digit number. 18 is a two-digit number, right? So you will write one digit which is at ones place here and you will carry forward this 1. आप इस 1 को carry forward करेंगे, right? Now 3 7s are 21 plus this carry 21 plus 1 22. Cross. Now multiply by this digit. 2 6 are 12. Again 1 carry forward. 2 7s are 14 plus this 1 15. Now add them. 8. 2 plus 2 4. 5 plus 2 7. 1. Right? So this is your answer. Answer is 1748. Next, question number 4, A part. You want to multiply 123 by 11. So multiply, first of all, multiply by the digit at ones place in the multiplier. So this is 1. Multiply 1 by 3. 1 3s are 3. 1 by 2. 1 2s are 2. 1 by 1. 1 1s are 1. You have multiplied by the digit at ones place. So put cross at ones place. Now multiply by the digit at tens place in the multiplier. So this is 1 again. So multiply by 1. 1 3s are 3. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. Now add them. 3 plus cross 3. 3 plus 2 5. 2 plus 1 3. 1 as it is. So your answer is 1353. Clear? Next, question number 5, A part. You want to multiply 234 by 37. So in the multiplier, digit at ones place is 7. So आप 7 से multiply करेंगे. 7 4s are 28. 2 will be carry forward. Right? 7 3s are 21 plus this 2, 23. 2 carry forward, right? 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 16. You have multiplied by the digit at ones place, so put cross at ones place. Now multiply by the digit at tens place, which is 3 here. 3 4s are 12, 2. 12 is a 2-digit number now, so you will just write 2 and 1 will be carry forward, right? 1 will be here. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10, again 2-digit number. So you will just put here 0 and 1 will be carry forward. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Now add them. 8, 3 plus 2, 5, 6 plus 0, 6. 0 means nothing. It means you are adding nothing and 6. So it will remain same. 7 plus 1, 8. So your answer is 8658. Next, question number 6. Multiply 2054 by 16. Right? So first of all, check the digit at ones place in the multiplier, which is 6 here. So first of all, you will multiply all the digits in the multiplicand. ये जो जितनी भी digit हैं इनको multiply करेंगे with the 6. So multiply 6 4s are 24. 24 is a 2-digit number. So you will just put 4 here and 2 will be carry forward. 6 5s are 30 plus 2, 32. Again 3 will be carry forward. 6 zeros are 0, right? And 0 plus 3, 3. 6 2s are 12. Now you have multiplied by the digit at ones place. So you will put cross at ones place. Now multiply by the digit at tens place, which is 1. So 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 zeros are 0, 1 2s are 2. Add them. Students, one more thing you need to remember. When you write the digits in proper column. Arrange them properly, right? So 4 plus cross 4, 2 plus 4 6, 5 plus 3 8, 2 plus 0, 0 means nothing. You are adding nothing in 2. So 2 will remain 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So your answer is 32,864. Next, question number 7, A part. Multiply 4,380 by 57. Right? First of all, multiply by the digit at ones place, which is 7. 7 zeros are 0. 7 8s are 56. So write 6 here and 5 will be carry forward. Right? 7 8s are 56 now. So carry forward 5. 7 3s are 21 plus 5, 26. Again to carry forward. 7 4s are 28 plus 2 30. Now you have multiplied by the digit at ones place. So put cross at ones place. Now you have to multiply by the digit at tens place. So multiply by 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 eights are 40. 40 is a 2-digit number. So you will just write 0 here. And 4 will be carry forward. 5 threes are 15 plus 4. 15 plus 4 is 19. 1 will be carry forward. 5 fours are 20 plus 1 21. Now add them. 0 plus cross 0. 6 plus 0, it means you are adding nothing in 6 because 0 means nothing. So write 6 as it is. 6 plus 0 again 6. 9 plus 0 9. 3 plus 1 4. 2 as it is. So this is your answer. 2,49,660. Right? So students, today you have learned how to multiply any number by the 2-digit numbers. Right? So I have explained some parts. Some parts I am giving you as homework. Those parts you will practice in your notebook. Right? This 2C, I am giving this part. This 3D, 4C and 5B, 6C, 7B. These parts you will practice in your notebook and you will send the image of the solution of these questions at my personal number. If you have any doubts, you can contact me personally. Thank you. Have a good day.